Namaste and hello. Welcome to yoga. Come in a comfortable seated position in a chair with your feet planted flat. Interlace your fingers and reach your arms up towards the sky. Keep your knees hip-width apart. Reach your arms up, stretching both sides of your body. Breathe deeply, in through your nose and out through your nose, stretching a little taller every time you breathe in. Spread all 10 toes flat on the ground. One more deep breath and release your arms down. Good job. Straighten your back and sit up nice and tall. Grab each side of your chair with your hands. Inhale, press your chest forward. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, gaze up. Exhale, gaze down at your belly button. Keep flowing through cat and cow in a seated position. Your feet stay planted, hip-width apart. Your hands grip the chair, helping you to stabilize your spine. Let's do one more round in cat and cow. Breathe in and out, and then come back to center. Reach your hands back and grab the seat of your chair. Step your feet forward and lift up, coming into a reverse plank pose. Your shoulders are aligned over your wrists and you're gazing up. Press your feet flat in the floor and squeeze your buttocks to lift your hips. If you feel pain in your shoulders, you can keep your knees bent. Keep breathing. Lift your heart. Exhale and release your hips back to your chair. Let's do some neck stretches. Exhale, turn your head to the left and inhale, center. Exhale, turn your head to the right and inhale, center. Again, exhale, turn your head to the left as far as you can. Inhale, center. Exhale, turn all the way to the right and inhale, center. Keep on breathing and sit nice and tall. Come back to center and on your next inhale, lift your chin and look up to the sky. Exhale, look down and tuck your chin. Inhale, lift the chin. And exhale, tuck the chin. Keep your spine long and tall. Come back to center. Now turn your head to the right. Gently pull your head over to the right with your right arm and grab onto your seat with your left hand. Come back to center. Now your left hand pulls your head over to the left and your right hand grabs onto the side of your chair. Gently stretch your neck and come back to center. One more time, stretch your head over to the right. Come back to center and then stretch over to the left. Come back to center and straighten your spine. Hold on to the chair with your left hand and reach the right arm up to the sky, bending over all the way to the left. Your right arm is over your right ear and you're gazing up at your hand. Keep both of your sitting bones on your chair. Breathe and lengthen the right side of your body. Keep both feet planted on the floor. Come back to center and release your right arm down. Straighten out your spine. Now grab the seat with your right hand and lift your left arm up to the sky and all the way over to the left. Stretch your left side and gaze up to your left hand. Keep breathing, you're doing great. Lengthen the left side of your body, breathing deeply. Breathe. Rise up to center and relax your left arm down. Next, we do some twisting postures. Grab the back of your chair with your left arm. Reach your right arm over to the outside of your left knee. Use your hands to twist over to the left. Gaze over your left shoulder. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist a little deeper. Twist all the way through your neck. Even your eyes are gazing back. Inhale, return to center. Now grab the back of your chair with your right arm and reach your left hand over to the outside of your right knee. Use your hands pressing into the chair and your knee to twist even deeper. Inhale, straighten your spine. Exhale, twist a little deeper, gazing over your right shoulder. And come back to center. Stand up beside your chair. Step your feet into a straddle position, turning your toes outward. Then bend your knees in goddess pose. Hold on to your knees. Exhale, twist your left shoulder towards center as you gaze right. Come back to center and then dip your right shoulder towards center. Keep your hips sitting low in goddess pose, but make sure your knees do not come over your toes. Flow through dynamic goddess pose, twisting left and right. On your next inhale, rise to standing. Face your chair. Take your feet hip-width apart, hinge your hips forward, and touch the back of your chair. Turn your toes in slightly and your heels out slightly. Keep your spine long. Breathe as you relax and use the chair for support. Close your eyes and feel your body. Take a few more breaths here. Feel how your body is starting to relax. Great job. Thank you so much for doing yoga with me today. Namaste.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like and click on the subscribe button for more amazing videos.